Hello everyone, welcome to VITrendz Chennai. I am Mishra. I am from first year CSC core branch. Today I will solve the problem 10 of the PoD series. Let's start with the problem. Today's question is classify the triplets. We are given with the two integers L and U, and we have to write a program to identify the triplet A, B and C, where A should be less than equal to B and B should be less than equal to C. And A, B and C all three should be greater than equal to L and should be less than equal to U. Exactly Pythagorean, very close to Pythagorean or close to Pythagorean are the three criteria we have to find. A triplet is said to be exactly Pythagorean if c square minus a square plus b square is equal to 0. This condition is given to us. And we call it a very close to Pythagorean when c square minus a square plus b square is either plus 1 or minus 1. Similarly, we can call it as close to Pythagorean if c square minus a square plus b square is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. We are given an example, L is 5 and U is 20, and we should print these series that are close, very close, and exactly Pythagorean. Let me remove this solution. Yeah. So basically what we have to do, we are given the lower limit and the upper limit, and this between this range we have to find all the triplets, and we have to print the triplets those are very close to Pythagorean, and exactly the Pythagorean. Basically the triplets should follow these three equations to satisfy these three conditions. Let's start with the today's code. First we are taking the input, I'm declaring the input in the same line, comma u equal to int input, then again int input. Now to create these series as it is shown above, let me just show you. These are the series that satisfy in the condition, but we have to take all the three triplets between this 5 to 20. For this, what we have to take the for loop. Using the for loop, we can create nested for loop. Creating nested for loop to get the triplets. For A in range, it should start from the L and goes up to the U. As usual, the for loop take one value decimal, so we will increment it by 1, U plus 1. Similarly, we are taking for B in range L to U plus 1. U plus 1 for C in range L to U plus 1. Now we will check, we are given this condition, the ABC should be greater than equal to L and less than equal to U. In ABC, A should be smaller than equal to B and B should be smaller than equal to C. We will apply this condition to check whether it is satisfying or not. Checking the condition. If we will take a bracket, one big bracket, so that we can give the three other conditions like this, and again one condition. You have to check the three conditions. Now it's completely in one bracket, all the three conditions. We can give A less than equal to B less than equal to C, and we can define the next equation. A and B and C should be greater than equal to L, and A and B and C should be less than or equal to U. Now we will check by printing whether it's running or not. Print A comma B comma C. Let's run it. It's printing all the triplets between 20 and 5. Now we will get those elements which is satisfying these conditions, these three conditions. For this we will create another conditions, checking conditions. Let's remove this. You can see it's asking for the C square A square. So we can define this and store in a value. I'm using the variable A to store the value C A square power A comma T 2. This means A raised to power 2 A square. Similarly, B equal to power P comma 2. Then C equal to power C comma 2. Now we'll check the condition. Checking condition. If this is checking condition, this is we are storing the values. Storing values. Now check if we are given C, this is C square minus A square plus B square is equal to 0. Then we have to print A comma B comma C, B comma C, then exactly Pythagorean. VCT VITrendz Pythagorean. We'll copy it out to make the process easier. Control V. Control, make it elif. Now change the condition to 1, and there is one more condition given for the -1 and 1 plus 1. We can again copy it out, paste here, and put a minus sign here. Similarly, use this equation here. Change the digit for 2. For 1, it's asking, it is saying it's very close to, and for 2, it's a close to Pythagorean. We have to change the print statement. It's very close to, and it is close to. Let's try to run the code. It's passed all the test cases. It's how that simple. You can check the description below for the Instagram handle to get the solution, all the solution of PoD, even my GitHub account. Hope you like the video. Thank you.